Okay? Leave one more side for the summary, only one more side. Page 139, question number 4. Page 139, question number 4. Be it and understand it properly, maintain silence also. Put your pens down, one question, understand it thoroughly, then next will do along with me. Amar and Akbar are the partners of a firm sharing profit and loss of the firm in equal proportion. What is that equal proportion? Old ratio. Definitely 1:1, but here it is your old ratio. Let us OR about that. OR, old ratio. Okay, equal proportion is the old ratio. Further, they decided to change their profit and loss sharing proportion to underline 3:2 for future. What is that? Circumstances, calculate what underline sacrifice has been made by which partner. Means you are asked to apply which ratio? Apply the formula of sacrifice ratio, which is old share minus new share. Now old share of Amar is 1/2 minus new share of Amar is 3/5. Old share of Akbar is 1/2 minus new share of Akbar is 2/5. 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 3, 6. So minus 1/10. Minus means in sacrifice if you get negative it means it is gain. Any doubts with this? Again 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 4, 1/10. And it's quite obvious when there are only two partners. What one will sacrifice, other will gain. So Akbar is sacrificing 1/10 and same amount Amar is gaining. Any confusion in this? Is this calculation clear to everyone? Yes. Write it down.